Dark web markets are getting trickier every day, with exit scams on the rise, and sites getting busted left and right. It's a digital minefield, more explosive than an Xbox 360 Call of Duty lobby. Today, and for educational purposes only, we are exploring 12 of the popular dark web sites, where people are making money. Remember, we do not encourage nor condone any of these activities. Stay tuned. If you are new around here, make sure to subscribe with notifications on, so you do not miss any of our new videos. Also, feel free to follow us on social media, links in the description box down below. Number 1, The Real Deal. The site launched in direct response to a number of dark web sites that emerged and had nothing of value to offer, mostly scams. The Real Deal became notable for its focus on moderation and user trust. It aimed to differentiate itself from other anonymous online platforms by offering a range of curated listings, including fake currency. The site gained traction for its consistent sellers and internal dispute resolution systems. Number 2, Nucleus. Emerged as a prominent anonymous market with a diverse range of offerings, including fake goods and documents. It boasted a clean and user-friendly interface, making it accessible to both experienced users and newcomers alike. Number 3, Infinity Market. Rather than being a simple traditional hidden service, it stood out by integrating both a built-in card-based system and credential log store. The store kept gaining attention from more and more sellers, with a reported 76.92% increase in vendor sign-ups. Another reason that vendors continue to turn to Infinity Market is because the platform has a growing presence in privacy-based forums. It is evident that the administrators of Infinity have invested significant time and resources into growth strategy. A user's rank in Infinity Market is determined by transaction history, starting from light, from $0 to $1,000, silver, from $1,000 to $3,000, gold, from $3,000 to $6,000, prime, from $6,000 to $10,000, and finally infinity, $10,000 plus. Number 4, Utopia. Utopia aimed to create a secure and decentralized ecosystem within anonymous networks. It provided encrypted messaging, anonymous browsing, and a marketplace for restricted access information. Utopia's innovative approach attracted privacy-focused users looking for increased anonymity. Number 5, Black Goblin. This platform gained recognition for its focus on niche product categories. The marketplace implemented strict access controls to ensure activity remained limited to authorized users. Number 6, Evolution. This market saw rapid growth within its first several months, helped in part by takedowns of some of its competitors. The Evolution marketplace gained prominence as the successor to Silk Road after its closure. It featured a comparable set of listings. It had earned a reputation for its uptime and consistent operations, with performance stats higher than many rivals. Number 7, Stixs Market. Stixs is a darknet-style forum sharing techniques related to fraud, financial trickery, and leaked data access. This marketplace is divided into 5 main sections: the main page, trusted sellers, auto escrow, news, and a filters section to search. Various types of compromised or leaked data are advertised, and can be found under the news tab. The personal data listed appears to be primarily from Western countries, including PI and account credentials. Number 8, Torres. Torres Market is a walletless marketplace, meaning users only send funds at the time of purchase. Currently, the platform supports 4 cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Monero, Litecoin, and ZCASH. It operates in a similar fashion to Amazon or eBay, allowing users to register as buyers or sellers. Both physical items and digital services, such as software and e-payment tools, are listed on the Torres market. Number 9. Versus. Established in 2019, Versus quickly gained a reputation for its user-friendly interface and streamlined search functions. It attracted many users due to its security features and internal vetting. Buyers could browse various digital offerings, which included software and security-related tools. The marketplace hosted over 8,400 listings and 500 vendors, mostly English-speaking, who accepted Bitcoin. Number 10. Exchange Market. This site's interface is predominantly in Mandarin Chinese and features listings similar to other hidden platforms. Like many decentralized platforms, registration and logged-in verification are required to view content. There are 3 categories of offerings: data resources, digital services, and virtual items. Shipping time is approximately 1 month, and no refunds are offered once payment is completed. Number 11. OmgOMG. It shares features with many other anonymized marketplaces, but also contains unique traits that help it stand out. As with most platforms, Bitcoin is the standard currency, and an escrow model is used for added transaction trust. The site updates BTC to ruble conversion rates every 15 minutes. For security, users are encouraged to use PGP keys and enable 2-factor authentication. Each vendor profile displays completed deals, and some have a verification badge next to their name. A heart icon is available to bookmark favorite shops for later visits. Number 12. Abacus Market. Abacus includes several advanced options such as anti-bot features, vendor forums, and a secure network infrastructure. Abacus Market listings range from digital products, ebooks, tutorials, collectibles, services, secure hosting and other miscellaneous items. But the real players on the dark web don't just shop. They invest in sites that keep the cash flow coming. If you think you've got everything you need, think again. Click on this video to find out where the real money moves. These methods could change the game for you. Don't miss out.